अपने आप कुछ कर रहा है. मैं बता रहा हूं, not only have the farmers' interest been safeguarded, but the Indian farmer, the Indian MSME, the Indian manufacturer has got access at a very to the world's biggest market. So we should be celebrating this. अगर आपका mindset यही होगा कि dead economy, sell out हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. So in your few lucid moments, which are few and far between, learn to celebrate it. हाँ जी, please, sorry. मैं पुश नहीं कर रहा हूं मेरे भाई, मुझे कहा गया, क्योंकि मैं इंडिपेंडेंट कमीशन का सेक्रेटरी जनरल था और मेरे जो बॉस थे टोरिया रॉड लार्सन उससे थी है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि इंडिया के बारे कुछ करना चाहते हैं. ओके, तो मैंने कहा इंडिया के बारे करना. सो आई हैड अ डिस्कशन विद रीड हॉफमैन. उसमें मैंने कहा इंडिया हैज अपॉर्चुनिटीज. उसमें यह भी कहा कि हमारे यहां गुजरात में फॉर इंस्टेंस इवन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टडीज आर डन इन गुजराती. और मैंने यह कहा कि लिंक्डइन हैज 28 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स इन इंडिया, पर आपको अगर ये बढ़ाना है तो इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी, आप यहां पे बढ़ा सकते हैं. और मैंने और भी कुछ चीजें कही चिट्ठी में से. मैंने कहा द जापानीज टेलीकॉम एंड इंटरनेट जायंट SoftBank, to mention just one example, announced recently that it had laid out plans to invest $10 billion in the Indian e-commerce space over the next 10 years. Snapdeal, an Indian entity, is the first recipient of $600 million in funding. The market buzz is strengthened by the election of a new government with a strong mandate bent on reviving the Indian economy with a major focus on digital India. ये मैं कह रहा हूं. और आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल. ओके, सो एक हमारी member of parliament, a lady member, she took me aside, she said many of these people are very jealous. मैंने कहा यार कुछ हुआ होता तो मैं बात कराता ना, मैं तो इसी पे रह गया. After that, anyway, so let's on a serious note, but anyway, I think you wanted, yeah, there and there.
एक मिनट,
Lady first.
On the subject.
No, I've given you the. No. I'll tell you something. Please, you came late. Please have a look at Vikram Mishri's detailed presentation to the standing committee of the Ministry of External Affairs headed by that. Listen, I have come here because somebody took my name in that, and I've come to clarify that. I think Vikram has done a fantastic job. I've got his listing here. Please have a look at that statement. If you have any other doubts, I'll clear you. Insofar as the trade deal is concerned, there's a lot of clarification going on there. You see, it's not the commitment or something. It said that intent, for instance, your trade is what, 77 billion or something, 100. I'm not getting into those because I don't deal with those issues. Yeah, again, I'm sorry, just because I'm giving you the floor, because you came late, I thought it's not fair because I don't deal with the subject. I'm happy to answer anything on the issue which I'm doing. Again, I go back. The trade deal is a top-class deal because, I'll tell you why. The world situation has changed. Earlier, you were dealing with multilaterally negotiated trade agreements. Here, one party has unilaterally come and changed the ground rules. Within that, you've been able to bring it down from 50% to 18%. And this is the framework of an interim deal. Going forward, you'll be heard. And Vikram has said very categorically, we are committed. India is committed to our consumer. During the last 10 years, in the midst of global turmoil, there has never been a shortage of energy. Availability has been there at all times. Affordability, we have some of the lowest energy prices. We will buy from wherever we have to in order to ensure that the demands of the consumer are satisfied. And we have diversified our supplies from 27 to 41 countries. Listen, this is a record which is very well playing, and I can go on. But I think you should also respect. Some of them want to know about What is that island called? I don't want to know it. Weatherhead? No, I didn't go there, unfortunately, or for some of them, because if I'd gone there was a plane also. Yaar, uska naam bhi bada interesting tha.
You just mailed.
I mailed something on the Indian economy and the potential of the Indian economy, and I'm very proud that after so many years, I was proved right on the potential of the Indian economy. Thank you very much.
Okay. One more. Give me a
Arre, arre, arre.